Hey everybody, it's Angel from AngelicBeautyProducts.com. So yesterday I wet my hair, put the oil in my hair while in the shower, finger combed it through my hair, and put it in these Bantu knots overnight. So let's see what they look like now that they're dry. This is the next day. These were Bantu knots with twists, and I'm just going to separate them in the twists. So here's two sides of the twist. So with each side of the twist, like say for example this one, I'm just going to pull it apart a few times. Here's the other side of the twist. Here's the third one. So I'm going to start separating that just wherever. And I'm going to start kind of gently raking my fingers through it as I go. Just not only for volume, but also so that the parts that it was in won't show. I'm just raking it from the root. I can't really see it in the back, but I think we should be good. This is good enough for me. So let's see it from the back. Hey. Work it, girl, work it. So that's the easy way to stretch your hair and also get a little curl going. And I think I'm going to separate this just a little bit more right here. I'm digging this area. Hey, check me out. Anyway, thanks for watching.